Guys, welcome to this money making website. Today, this is an investment platform which you can earn from it. Guys, this site is paying. I have test run it and it is really paying. This is the proof of my payment in the screen. As you can see, me and my team got paid because anything that I bring here, I make sure I test run it to know if it is really paying. So stay tuned and watch till the very end to know how to go about this platform and navigate it. You understand? If it is the first time of coming across my channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Here we teach all about how to make money, how I make my money online, and you too can make your own money. As you all know that this is Ember month and I know that you want to make money now because of obele, this Christmas obele. This is not time to be lazy and start procrastinating. And also please like and share, show your friends this platform, because whatever we do here, we teach how to make the real money. You understand? And also, if you want to join my community group, all you have to do is to click the link so that you'll be first to get every information needed. So let's go into the website to know how it works. If you click the link on the description box or on the comment section, it will bring you here. All you have to do is to register with your phone number. You put your password, verify your password, and withdrawal password. Please remember this password, this withdrawal password, because that's what you use and withdraw your money. Then you click register. Once you click register, so it will bring you here. Once it brings you here, all you have to do, you join the Telegram. You understand? And once you sign up, they will give you 1,000 naira bonus automatically. You understand? And we have different daily incomes here. So if you register, you after doing this thing, after registering, and if you want to recharge, we have different plans here. We have 8,000 naira plans, we have 3,000 naira plans. 8,000 naira plans will give you 1/6 daily, which you can withdraw daily. You understand? 30,000 naira plan will give you 7/5 daily, and 85,000 naira plan will give you 23,000 naira daily, depending on what you want. You understand? But this plan A and plan B is what is available now. I bet you can pick one and start and invest and start earning immediately. If you want to recharge, all you have to do is to click on this recharge. Once you click on it, you put the amount you want to recharge. If it is 8,000 or 30,000, you put. Let's say I want to recharge 8,000 now. I'll click recharge. It's loading. You read through to this, then you copy the account number they sent to you. Go back and pay and come back and click I have made this bank transfer. You understand? I have made this bank transfer. Make sure you copy this note and put on your own note so that it will be easier for them to put your money back. And also make sure you use this account within 9 minutes. If not, it expires. If you put it, nobody will answer you after 9 minutes. Once you have done and go back, your money will be credited instantly. And another way, if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is to click on this withdraw. You understand? Click on this withdraw, input your bank details, input your bank name. Click here, they'll bring different banks for you. Input your bank number, account number, input full names and that withdrawal password. After inputting your details and your withdrawal password, you click confirm. You understand? Then anytime you want to withdraw, they will bring the account number. You put your this thing, how much you want to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 1,600. I click that withdrawal. Do I have input my details here? If I click that withdrawal, make sure your this thing is very correct, and also you only have to withdraw once a day. So that's just it. After recharging, if it is 8,000 or 30,000 naira plan you recharged, all you have to do is to click on the buy and buy the product. Let's click on this buy here and buy the product. If it is 13,000 naira, scroll up and click the buy. After buying, your this thing will start counting. So after 24 hours, your daily income will start dropping. And if you want to connect with their customers care, all you have to do is to click this online here and join their telegram here. Another way to earn on this platform is by inviting. You understand? You can invite your friends, copy your link, invite your friends. That's another way to make money here. And also remember, this is not a financial advice. This is what I do to make my own money online. Please do your own research before inputting your money. You understand? That's just it. Thank you and see you in my next video.